All right, it's 7:52 in the morning. I've got a potential setup here. We didn't have a break and a new high of this little guy, so it's possible that that's what's working here. But I'm expecting this trend to continue, so I'm expecting this to be a failed and then a failed, and if that fails, then I'm going to go short. Just squeak out one little point, even though my target would be normally about here, at least. And with the other side of this trend, let's see. If I was playing a runner, I might put my runner down here. Yeah, probably there. And then just adjust accordingly as the price action works. You know, if it looks like it's going to reverse or something, just move my stop. But I think that's where I would put my runner at. But I'm only playing one here. So let's see what happens. Let's get back to you guys. So it looks like it's working on what I want to see. Got a couple more ticks to go before we make our decision. Setting up nice. And just to recap, we've got a first failed entry. We're working on a second failed entry off the EMA, off of what I think is the trend line, although I'm not fully convinced of that. And then the only hang up is this little guy never got a break and a new high. But that's a pretty bearish bar, and then you got a lot of more bearish action. So I'm thinking that it's just gonna go shorter. And there it is. Not exactly what I wanted, but pretty damn close. I wanted to be greedy. I wanted one more little tick. One more little tick down. We're so early before the open, about 30 minutes before open. This one might take a while to play out. Of course, I could be trapped, I guess, since we didn't have that break to the new high. Could be a trap. noise in the background and making myself a little bit of green tea.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
I bet that's exciting.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Come on now. Do your thing. Might pause it here so we don't have to wait all day. So we're getting close here. Just need a couple more ticks. And we'll be free. A little early morning, $50 in the pocket. Come on, baby. 2 more ticks. There we go. In the books. Make sure I was recording that. All right, so once again, recap. We have possible trend here. I'm not totally convinced, but it looks pretty good. But either way, you've got a whole big downtrend working. You get this pullback. You don't get a break and a new high of it, but you get a lot of bearish signals. So that's a good one. And then it tries to go up and then it fails again. And I guess you could have gone short there. That's a second entry short off of those lows. And I just would have been, I mean, I wasn't even trading yet, but I probably would have been cautious about that one. But when it comes back again and fails again, then you've got your failed second entry long off of what I think is the trend line. So it was a good trade. And then we'll see where it goes from here, because I had the magic target down here if I was playing a runner, which that would have been a lot more money. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we ended up bouncing here at the pre-open lows, so that makes sense. So I would have had my target down here, but if I saw it bouncing here, like after this signal bar here, I probably just would have put my stop somewhere here like that to stop this from coming all the way back on you. So what could I have gotten here? Let's switch this back over. So we got 1 point. You had room for almost 2 more. So you could have got a 2-point runner on that move. So not a bad start to the morning. So hope you have a good day. Peace out.